Welcome back to Vishal Explains. Today, we're diving into the power of Python functions. In this tutorial, we'll explore the versatile max, len, and min functions and see how they can streamline your coding process. And that wraps up our exploration of max, len, and min functions in Python. Now you're equipped with powerful tools to efficiently manage your data and streamline your code. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips and tutorials. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.